In front of me is POCO F5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by going into Settings and tapping on Connection and Sharing. Now hit Printing, tap on System Printing Service, and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you wish to use different service, remember to disable this one by tapping on blue switcher. Then go back, tap on Add Service and download the best one for you. I will go with HP one. When your new service is ready, click on the back button twice, tap on it and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!